dear students, myself Gangadhar Solanke, and I welcome you all to the MC James virtual classroom. My dear students, today in Standard 8's History, we will be learning the topic Armed Revolutionary Movement. We have already started this topic, and in the first part of this topic, we have learnt about Ram Singh Koka, then about Vasudev Balwant Phadke and how he started armed struggle against the British, and not only about the Vasudev Balwant Phadke, about Chafekar brothers and their sacrifice in the Indian freedom struggle. Next to that, the role of Birsa Munda in organizing the people against the British rule, Munda tribe in Bihar, or how he lead the Munda tribe. Then the role of Abhinav Bharat, which was started by V.D. Savarkar. Mitra Mela, a secret organization of revolutionaries in Nasik, and then it was renamed as Abhinav Bharat. And then how the V.D. Savarkar, after going to England, started sending revolutionary literature and guns to the members of Abhinav Bharat. And then about Babarao Savarkar and the Anant Lakshman Kanhere, partition of Bengal, revolutionary movement in Bengal and the objectives of that to keep control over British officers, to loosen the government machinery, to wipe out the fear in the minds of Indians regarding the British government and overthrowing the British rule. Anushilan Samiti and the role of Arvind Kumar Ghosh, Arvindo Ghosh and Barindra Kumar Ghosh, Khudiram Bose and about Praful Chandra Chaki, Raj Bihari Bose and Sachindranath Sanyal, who spread the network of revolutionary organizations outside Bengal, Vachi Iyer, then India House, Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma, who established this organization, and the Madam Kama, who raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference and unfurled the flag of India. Then the Madan Lal Dhingra, who killed Curzon Wyllie, a British officer, due to which Dhingra was hanged to death. And then about the Ghadar movement. On the screen you can see the points which we have already covered in the first part of this topic. Ghadar journal acted as the mouthpiece of Ghadar movement. The revolutionary movement was active in other countries during the period of war. In Berlin, Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta and Hardayal prepared anti-British plans in cooperation with the German Foreign Ministry. And now, in the second part of the topic Armed Revolutionary Movement, we are going to learn about Kakori Conspiracy, then the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, attack on Chitgaon Armory. So one by one now we will study this in detail, and here is the first point, Kakori Conspiracy. After the suspension, after the suspension of civil disobedience movement by Mahatma Gandhi, many youngsters got diverted to revolutionary ways. The suppressive measures of government could not put an end to the revolutionary movement, and after the suspension of civil disobedience movement, जो कि पीक पे था, पूरे देश में ये मूवमेंट चल रहा था, लेकिन उसे वापस लिया गया बिकॉज ऑफ मेनी रीजन्स. उसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीज़न थे. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेनी यंगस्टर्स हु वर इन द सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट गॉट डाइवर्टेड. उन्होंने अपना रास्ता डाइवर्ट कर दिया और उन्हें पता चला कि अब कोई दूसरा रास्ता लेना चाहिए जिससे हमें हमारी आज़ादी मिल सकती है. So these youngsters got diverted to revolutionary ways, and in this, if we people go through the names, then Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sanyal, and other revolutionaries came together. And on 9th August 1925, 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasury that was carried in a train near Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. Now this place Kakori is in Uttar Pradesh. गवर्नमेंट की ट्रेजरी जिस ट्रेन में लेकर जा रहे थे उस ट्रेन को लूटा गया on 9th August 1925. This is known as Kakori conspiracy. And by taking immediate action, the government arrested the revolutionaries and put them into prison. They were put under trial, and in this Ashfaqullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri were hanged, but Chandrasekhar Azad managed to escape. So continuously in this topic, we are talking about the people who sacrificed their life for us, we can say. Sacrificed for the independence, and here also many names are there. Ashfaqullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri were hanged. And now the next point, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The young men influenced by socialist ideas and decided to set up a nationwide revolutionary organization which should be based on the socialist philosophy or socialist thought. So prominent among them were Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, etc. All these revolutionaries were secular in their thoughts. Now here again very important thing, these words are there in the preamble of our constitution, that secularity or justice, and not only secular or not only justice but liberty, equality, fraternity, all these things are today also very important to build a equal society or equality among the society. So people who were there in the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association were secular in their thoughts. And in 1928, in the meeting held at Firoz Shah Kotla ground in Delhi, these young men established the organization called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The objective behind the establishment of this organization was to free India from British exploitation and to give justice to the people. ब्रिटिशों ने जिस तरह से एक्सप्लॉइट करना स्टार्ट किया था इन द ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड, जैसे एग्रीकल्चर है या फिर व्यापार है या फिर कल्चर है, इन सारी चीज़ों में जो एक्सप्लॉइटेशन चल रहा था उससे इंडिया को फ्री करना वाज द main objective behind the establishment of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. It also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system. It also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system which exploited the farmers and the workers, continuously working for more than 8 hours or for 12 hours, and different types of taxes for the farmers. So it also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system. It means that, in other words, we can say, to establish equality in the society, or to give justice to the farmers and the workers. Now Bhagat Singh gave importance to creation of a society based on what? Social justice and equality. Now what is social justice? There should be no any kind of discrimination on the basis of caste, creed or religion, or on the place of birth. So Bhagat Singh gave importance to creation of a society based on social justice and equality. So here one thing which is very sure, we can talk about Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. It was not only the organization with the young people with the arms, but young people with the mind trying to dream their country which is free from exploitation and based on social justice and equality. The work of gathering arms and execution of programs was entrusted to a separate wing of the organization. This wing was called Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and Chandrasekhar Azad was the chief of this wing. So what was the work of this wing? To gather arms and execution of programs. आर्म्स को इकट्ठा करना और कुछ प्रोग्राम सेट किया गया है, प्लान किया गया है, तो उस पर काम करना was the role of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. Members of this organization carried out many revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru fired bullets and killed an officer named Saunders in order to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The government had introduced 2 bills in the Central Legislative Assembly and curtailing civil rights. These bills were about curtailing civil rights. So, to protest it, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly. Just think about this. Just imagine the scene. Legislative Assembly में एक बिल रखा गया है which was about the curtailing civil rights, जो इंडिया के लोगों के खिलाफ था लेकिन ब्रिटिशों के लिए था. तो भगत सिंह और बटुकेश्वर दत्त ने लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में बॉम्ब फेंके. वो गवर्नमेंट को दिखाना चाहते थे दैट वी आर इन द अपोज ऑफ दिस बिल, अपोज ऑफ दिस 2 bills. The British government immediately then raided the centers of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and through it the police also obtained clues related to the killing of Saunders. The government started arresting the revolutionaries. One by one they started. They were tried under the charge of sedition, and on 23rd March 1931, 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, on the screen you can see the images. Rajguru, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were hanged in the Lahore jail. But till the end, Chandrasekhar Azad did not fall into the hands of the police, and later he died in an encounter with police at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Again I am repeating the same thing. जब से हम ये इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, हम देख रहे हैं कि एक के बाद एक नेशनल लीडर हो या फिर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पार्टिसिपेंट्स हो, ये सारे लोग नॉट ओनली देयर wealth or time, but they were continuously sacrificing their lives for the country, and that is why today we are enjoying freedom here in our country, and we should remember their sacrifice. Now the next point is attack on Chitgaon Armory. In this now, Surya Sen was the chief of the revolutionary group at Chitgaon in Bengal. He had gathered, what he had gathered? He had gathered around him revolutionaries like Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Pritilata Waddedar. So not only men but women also participating in the armed revolutionary movement, and here we can see the names of Kalpana Datta and Pritilata Waddedar. So with their assistance, with the assistance of Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Pritilata Waddedar, Surya Sen drew up a plan to attack the armory at Chitgaon. And as per the plan, you can see on the screen now, on 18th April 1930, the revolutionaries seized the arms from the two armories in Chitgaon. The telephone and telegraph lines were broken, and they succeeded in paralyzing the communication system, and after that they gave a thrilling fight to the British army. Now in this fight, what happened? On 16th February 1933, 16th February 1933, Surya Sen and some of his associates were captured by the police. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death punishment. Kalpana Datta was sentenced to life imprisonment. Pritilata Waddedar killed herself without falling into the hands of the police, like we people talked about this in the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, how Chandrasekhar Azad did not fall into the hands of the police, and later he died in an encounter with police at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Here also Pritilata Waddedar killed herself without falling into the hands of the police. So due to the uprising in Chitgaon, the revolutionary movement gained pace. On the screen you can see Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary. These two schoolgirls, now in the last chapter, last phase of struggle for independence, we talked about the school students Shirish Kumar, Lal Das, Dhansukh Lal, Shashidhar, Ghansham. These school children became martyred. Here also Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, these two school girls, killed the district judge, whereas a young girl Beena Das shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Kolkata University. So again the same thing we are repeating, that not only any particular caste, not only particular religion, or not only any particular region of the country, but every part of the nation jumped or participated in the freedom struggle of India. Then the next thing, Beena Das, you can see here, who shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Kolkata University. Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer, the officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre in London in 1940. In the freedom struggle of India, revolutionary movement in the freedom struggle of India. Revolutionary movement made an important contribution. Now here there is no question violence or non-violence, which thing played important role in the freedom struggle of India, but both the movements played important role or important contribution. These revolutionaries displayed daring and determination, daring of sacrificing life and determination towards the freedom of the country. So these revolutionaries displayed daring and determination while fighting against the British rule, the love for the nation and attitude of sacrifice was just incomparable. क्योंकि जब भी आर्म्ड रिवॉल्यूशन मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट हुए तो उन्हें पता था कि इसमें हमारी जान भी जा सकती है. देन ऑल्सो दे कंटिन्यूड. सो द लव फॉर द नेशन एंड एटीट्यूड ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस वॉज जस्ट इनकम्पेरेबल. Their sacrifice proved to be an inspiration to the Indians. So, in the second part of this topic today, we learnt about Kakori conspiracy and the role of Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh and Rajguru and Sukhdev in establishing or in reaching the armed revolutionary movement to the common people. Then attack on Chitgaon Armory, in that Surya Sen, Kalpana Datta, Pritilada Waddedar. Then about the sacrifice of Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, and also about Bina Das and Sardar Udham Singh. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications. So my dear ones, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care.